How to solve Mortal Kombat app downloading necessary data not working problem. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and search for Mortal Kombat. Now tap on the game and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Keep holding the Mortal Kombat icon and tap on App Info. Now tap on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now go back and go to Data Usage and make sure to enable the mobile data and mobile Wi-Fi. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below.